cooking, everybody? My name is Andrew Thompson, and I am here in a whoopee. Oh, this car's still there. And I gotta keep these videos to 10 minutes long, otherwise they'll be taken down. Just recorded my vlog. I don't even know what number. Cat's staring at me like, what the fuck? I am going to my safe house so I can save this, then steal a car, and then do all that. If you don't get what I'm doing, then you need to go back to school. It's currently 5:04. Okay. I knew it would be a red light because I have luck like that. Can I do a burnout on this? Oh my god, I can. Look, I'm doing a burnout. Shit is right. What the fuck? Idiots. Everybody's just like, lols. Shit. Oh yeah, you can make it. You're my sister or my grandparents, I guess. Nope. Be right back.